What's really important is that IACMI is really driving some of the innovations that are going on, and that's really going to change the way we live our lives.
So one of the great things that IACMI does is it brings a very diverse population of technologies. And then you get all along that supply chain, that diversity of people throughout the industry and all of the various forms that composites take, all together in the same group, trying to push composites to the next level.
The exposure to all of the different members, particularly some of the small to medium enterprises. IACMI has a lot of members who are SMEs, and you get a chance to learn about them.
So innovation and working together as a team is key, and IACMI helps enable that.